Hi guys, hope you had a good week. We're meeting online this week and I wanted to give you a screencast and a few resources to help you get through the week, and I look forward to meeting you next week. Next week our topic is going to be on screencasting, so I thought give you a chance to watch a couple of videos so you can get a sense for what it's all about. So have a great week, and your focus this week should be on the Microsoft Office module and finishing up the Excel assignment. A few of you had problems downloading the data from the CDE California Data Warehouse or Exchange, so I'm going to demo that and also demo an answer to one of the questions we had in class last week. So again, see ya. Hope you have a great week. Hi guys, I want to demonstrate how to download the data from the California Department of Education DataQuest site. So you're going to visit the site data1.cdu.ca.gov, and then in the left hand corner you're going to click on Quick Quest. When you get to the Quick Quest site, we're going to download the information for English language learners. So you're going to select that from the drop down menu. And then we want to grab the information just for Ventura County. So there's another drop-down menu, and we're going to scroll down to Ventura to select and limit the data search just to Ventura. Now I want information from all the districts. You have several options here. One of them is to select the year, and feel free to select any range you want. You're going to be downloading two separate data sets and combining them in Excel. I'll start off with one of the older sets. Now, I found when I was at Cal Poly, and if I selected CDS code, it would time out with a 404 error. If that's happening to you, select either name or enrollment ascending, and then hit submit. This is going to give you a preview of the data, and then to download the data, just click the download data button. Now this will download it into the download folder wherever your browser downloads data. The folder is a text file but has the extension TDS, so you will not be able to just double click on that file to open it. You're going to have to launch Excel, go File, Open, and then from the drop down menu in the Open dialog box, select All Files. Then you're going to go through the wizard that Excel provides to turn this text data into a column data that you'll be able to read in Excel. Hope it works out for you. Good luck. Once you've downloaded the file from the California Data site, you're going to need to open it in Excel. However, the file is not in a format that by default Excel can read. So you're not going to be able to just double click on that file to open it. Instead, you're going to have to launch Excel. So let's launch Excel. You're going to go File, Open. Now, in order to read this file, by default, Excel is probably going to say All Excel Files. You need to, from the drop-down menu in the Open dialog box, select All Files, and then you'll be able to select the enrollmentdata.tsd file. At this point, Excel is going to provide a wizard for you. And you want to select a eliminated character, and that character in this file is going to be a semicolon. And when I check semicolon, you can see we're going to get these nice columns in our data. We can then, we don't need the general CDS column, so under column data format here, I'm going to say do not import it or skip it. The second column is going to be text, and the next column will just keep general, and then just click finish. This is going to give us our data in a nice format, and then you'll be able to follow the online directions to complete the assignment. Best of luck. Hi everybody. I wanted to answer a question that I didn't get to last week in class, and the question was, if I've got information in a chart and I wanted to increase the maximum in the chart how do you do that? So for example, if we looked at our chart from last week in class that shows the total book sales, maybe the goal was to sell $200,000 worth of books. And our current chart maximum only goes up to 140,000. So basically we want to increase it so that we can see, hey, we did pretty good, but you know, how far away were we from our ultimate goal? So to demo that, I'm just going to quickly review how do you create a chart. So I've got my data selected here in Excel, and I'm going to go Insert Chart, and you should get this Chart tab at the top. And I want to select a 2D clustered column chart. It's going to insert my chart in my workbook, and I'm going to resize this a little bit so it's a little bit easier for you to read. And so we've got our nice chart here, but you can see that we've got our vertical values here that max out at $140,000. Okay, and again, if we wanted to switch the key here, the side note, we talked about this, we can use this here to switch out the plots, but still it doesn't change this high maximum value. So if you want to do that, you actually just double click on this and it just pops up. And it gives you an option here to set the maximum. And I'm going to change that to 200,000. All right, when I hit OK, oops, when I hit OK, we can see that our graph changes, and we can see that, hey, we did pretty good. But when we look at what our ultimate goal was to reach 200,000, we didn't quite get there. So I hope that answers your question, and I'll see you guys next week.